Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing the series of parts of speech and today we are going to start part 13 in which you will see adjectives of number and comparative adjectives. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Let's see kinds of adjectives. We have already completed type number 6. Now we are going to start type number 7 and 8. Let's see the definition of adjectives of number. The adjectives which tell us how many people or things are meant are called adjectives of number only with countable nouns. Let's see examples. First, there are many flowers in the garden. So here flowers, these are countable nouns. And before that many is given. So this many is called adjective of number. Second, few people came to watch the match. So here people countable noun. So before that few is given. So that is adjective of number. Third one, he made many mistakes. Mistakes countable noun. So that is why before that many is given. So many comes under the category of adjective of number. Some men are very cruel. So men, countable noun. So before that some is given. So some that comes under the category of adjective of number. Most children love ice cream. Children, countable nouns. And before that most is given. So this most is called adjective of number. Hope you understood well. Let's do related exercise. Pick out adjectives of number from the following sentences. Okay, four sentences are given and you have to pick out adjectives of number from all these 4 sentences. Your time starts now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, there are 10 students in the classroom. So students, countable nouns. Before that 10 is given. So 10, that is called adjective of number. Second, Saturday is the last day of the week. So here last, that is adjective of number. Third, I wrote many letters. Letters, countable nouns. Before that many is given. So this many is called adjective of number. Last one, you can get 24 hours service from here. So here 24 hours. So here 24, that is called adjective of number. Let's move to next kind. That is comparative adjectives. Let's see the definition. A comparative adjective is an adjective used to compare two people or things. Let's see examples. Now, let's try to understand with the help of objects. Okay? This one is yours and this is mine. So, I will frame a sentence. My pencil is bigger than yours. Okay? So, here my pencil is bigger than yours. Here bigger. Okay? So, this is called comparative adjective because comparison is made between my pencil and your pencil. Second, in summer, days are longer than in winter. So here comparison is made between summer days and winter days. That's why we can say that in summer, days are longer than in winter. So here longer, that is comparative adjective. Third one, a turtle is slower than rabbit. Comparison is made between a turtle and rabbit. So here a turtle is slower than rabbit. So comparison is made. So slower, that is comparative adjective. Fourth one, a chair is more comfortable than stool. Here comparison is made between a chair and stool. So here we can say a chair is more comfortable than stool. So more comfortable, that is comparative adjective. Fifth, wild animals are more dangerous than pets. So comparison is made between wild animals and pets. So here sentence is made, wild animals are more dangerous than pets. So more dangerous, that is comparative adjective. Let's see exercise. Find out comparative adjectives from the following sentences. Okay, 3 sentences are given and you have to find out comparative adjectives from all these 3 sentences. Do it now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, my house is bigger than yours. So here bigger, that is comparative adjective. Second, the earth is larger than the moon. So here larger, that is comparative adjective. Third, I feel better now than yesterday. So here better, that is comparative adjectives. So folks, here we end our session. Hope you understood well. See you soon in my next video. We will continue the same series with part number 14, in which you will see rest of the kinds of adjectives. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye for now.